Hi, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax in Clearwater, Florida. Today I'm going to share with you a 2019 Sea Ray 210 SPX, optioned with a red hull, black bimini, dune interior, and white non-skid flooring. This boat is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower outboard motor, and this is one of the most popular boats we sell here at MarineMax. This boat has a capacity of 12 people, making it one of the most spacious 21-foot boats you'll find anywhere on the market for both passengers and for storage. As you can see, this boat has dual helm seats, which is an upgrade from just a bench seat on the port side. As we come to the helm, you'll see easy to read analog gauges, a digital depth finder, and a Fusion stereo system complete with Bluetooth and 4 speakers. The bow section includes more seating and storage, as well as the last 2 speakers in the Fusion sound system. This is a super fun and versatile boat to enjoy the water with your friends and family. And if you'd like to learn more, discuss pricing and options, or take this boat on the water for a demo, please give me a call at 727-400-3799. Again, this is Chad Hadlock from MarineMax, wishing you a great day on the water.